Hi guys, Zach with Proline here today, and we've got an awesome video for you unboxing our Proline PLJL Hurricane Series range hood. This model's perfect for anyone looking for powerful ventilation and a sleek design in their kitchen. So as you can see, the range hood comes securely packaged with everything that you need inside of it. It's going to include the installation guide and all your accessories. We're going to take this down off the table and bring everything out for you guys to see right now. Now, once you've taken your range hood out of the box, our insert models actually come pretty much already installed. So all of your hardware, instead of it coming in the box and you having to install it, we've gone ahead and done that for you. So we can just take off the wrapping that it comes in, the protective kind of cloth. Now that we've taken it out, just having a look at the range hood, we have our control panel up top here, as well as our stainless steel baffle filters, as well as lighting. And the only hardware that's going to come in the box should just be in one of the pockets here, and this will be the installation guide as well as some of the screws that you'll need for the installation process, but that's it. Okay, first things first, talking about the features of the range hood. Our stainless steel baffle filters are made of 430 stainless steel. It's great for any indoor cooking environment. To remove these, we just grab on the knobs, we're gonna lift them up and it will come out of the little tray. It might be a little finicky, but you can pick them up and just set them aside to access the inside of the range hood. I'm gonna take out both of these for you so we can see the blower inside. But the nice thing as well is these are dishwasher safe. So super easy to clean and maintain, very durable. Now the single blower is 600 CFM. This also comes in dual blower options, and that goes up to 1200 CFM. We have 6 different size options, whatever's best for your kitchen, from 28 all the way up to 58 inches wide. Now for each of the size options that we also offer 15, 18, or 21 inch depth options. So again, really whatever's best for your kitchen, Proline has the answer. Now, if we look directly up from the blower, we have our control panel. What makes this so great is it gives you 4 different speed options, all the way from that 600 or 1200 CFM, depending on what model you have. And why that's great is depending on what you're cooking, you have the control over how much CFM you choose to utilize. So again, we have 4 different speed options. It's completely up to you. Super easy push buttons on the control panel here. Anyone can use it. And from our same push button control panel, we can also control the lighting on the range hood. Now, each of these models are going to come with 4 different halogen lights, 2 on each side. So if you're cooking in the dark, it can help light up your environment. You can change these bulbs out if you want to use different ones. If you want to change the color, it's completely up to you. And that covers everything you guys are going to receive in the box when you order your insert from ProlineRangeHoods.com. If you guys want to check out other options of the most premier range hoods that you can put inside of your home, go to ProlineRangeHoods.com. We have awesome deals going on all through the year. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call or email us. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.